Mars, the red planet, a cold, barren world over 200 million kilometers away. Yet, in the year 2050, humanity has made it its second home. But what would life really be like if humans colonized Mars? Let's find out. The idea of colonizing Mars isn't just science fiction anymore. With companies like SpaceX and government programs racing to build sustainable habitats, it's plausible that by 2050, the first human settlers could arrive. So, what happens when we establish our first colony? Initially, life would be confined to massive pressurized habitats. Think of cities under glass domes. These would be built using advanced 3D printing and materials sourced from Mars itself, like its rich iron oxide. Inside these habitats, survival would depend on recycling every ounce of air and water. Hydroponic farms would grow our food, and solar panels would provide power. However, with Mars receiving 60% less sunlight than Earth, energy efficiency would be key. Mars resources would also play a vital role. For example, its soil contains perchlorates, which once processed could provide oxygen. The planet's polar ice caps could be melted for water. But imagine the challenges: dust storms that can last for months, radiation exposure, and temperatures that can drop to -100 degrees Celsius. Life on Mars wouldn't just be about survival. It would represent a new chapter in human evolution. Imagine the culture and societies that would form. Over generations, humans might even physically adapt to Mars' lower gravity, becoming taller, thinner, or even developing new traits. But colonization could spark ethical dilemmas. Would Mars colonies become independent nations? Could conflicts arise between Earth and its Martian offspring over resources or governance? The geopolitical stakes could reshape humanity's future. And what about the long term? Terraforming Mars, altering its atmosphere to make it more Earth-like, could take centuries. Some propose releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet, while others suggest creating giant magnetic shields to protect it from solar radiation. Colonizing Mars could redefine what it means to be human. It's not just about survival. It's about curiosity, ambition, and our innate desire to explore the unknown. The red planet might become our second home, but it would also remind us of how precious our first one is. What do you think? Is colonizing Mars a bold step forward, or are we reaching too far? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating what-if scenarios.